also undertake an exercise to audit all the casual workers who are working on temporary basis in this county, to remove abuse of a system that has created many ghost workers and an unnecessary idle capacity, which has placed excessive strain on our budget. We are spending 15 million shillings every month to pay casual workers, and we have employed 5,000 staff. So one wonders why you have 5,000 staff and so many casual workers. We want to audit that system. To enable us to achieve an efficient, clean, and effective civil service, we have decided to send the acting county secretary, all CECs, all chief officers, all sub-county administrators, all ward administrators, and all town administrators on indefinite leave immediately.